Hi there, Shauna Lynn Simon here from Beyond the Stage Homes, Waterloo Region's #1 choice for home staging and design. And today I want to talk to you about living in your home for sale, because I often hear from my clients, where on earth am I supposed to put everything? So now the major stuff that you're clearing out of the house, we do recommend offsite storage for this. It's the best place for getting it out of sight and helping you to be able to show off your storage areas of the home as well. Because remember, storage does sell. So we don't want to overcrowd your closets or your garage. But there are some great tips that I can give you for hiding some everyday items that you just want to be able to quickly put out of sight when it's time for a viewing or an open house. So check it out. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about a few spots that we've got using this lovely room. This is a house for sale over on Oak Park in Waterloo. Definitely feel free to reach out to us if you want some more information about this listing. But here's one of your free spots. It's actually underneath the bed. Now, the caveat to this is you better have a bed skirt for this, okay? So that it covers up anything that you put underneath the bed. But no one coming into your house, most likely, will look underneath your bed. So that is your free storage. Other free storage areas are drawers to anything that is a furniture piece that you own. So that does not include your kitchen cupboards or your bathroom cupboards or your closets. People will look in those areas. But things like nightstands and dressers, that is free storage. Now, if you take a look at what we've done over here on this lovely little console table we have, I love using hat boxes to hide things. If you look at this bottom hat box, that's actually large enough to keep most lotions, hair products, brushes, things like that in. It's nice and tall. And it's really easy to just pop that lid on when people are coming, so you can hide everything. And smaller hat boxes are great for makeup, tissues, any of those everyday items that you need. Now, of course, when it comes to your closet, as I mentioned, we want to make sure that we are maintaining this and keeping it nice and organized at all times. And we find baskets are a great way to be able to hide some of your everyday items. And you can use taller baskets than this as well. And that's just make sure that nothing is sticking out of the top. But this is a great way to hide. Maybe you've got some personal papers or something that you normally keep in your room. And baskets can go in every single closet that you have. They can go in bathrooms, in the cupboards, they can go in the laundry room, they can go in your pantry. Baskets are a great place to be able to hide things throughout the house. So now, like I said, when it comes to your bathroom, these cupboard doors and drawers, these are all going to be looked in by potential buyers. So you want to make sure you keep those nice and clear. Baskets are also great, by the way, for showcasing little areas, like a nice little shower caddy area for this beautiful shower here. So just as another little tip. But yeah, so when it comes to your free locations, when it comes to selling your home, let's just recap this. Baskets and boxes, so any sort of storage boxes that you have, make them as decorative as possible if they're going to be out on display. If you have a storage area in your house, like an unfinished area of your home that's intended for storage, you are welcome to use that shelving, but you want to make sure it's not cluttered. One thing that a lot of our clients will do with their laundry, for example, when it comes to an open house, is they'll shove their laundry into a nice Rubbermaid tote and shove that onto a shelf in the unfinished area, and no one will be any the wiser that that's actually their dirty laundry, because we don't want that hanging around as well. So use your own furniture for storing items, dresser drawers, nightstand drawers, but do not use your bathroom cupboards or your kitchen cupboards. Utilize hat boxes, storage boxes, and baskets that are decorative in areas that people are going to see, and ensure that your closets and other storage areas are free and clear of any debris. Make sure the floors are nice and clear, and that will help you to showcase and show off your storage areas. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have anything else that you need us to help you with, please feel free to check us out at beyondthestagehomes.com. Give us a shout. We'd love to help you with your home stage or design needs. Happy staging.